Assalamualaikum and hi guys, we are from TAC1101E. We'd like to present our math project with some questions and explanations for it. Without wasting any time, let's move to the first one.
Okay, let's get started. What is the compound interest? Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. It also can be thought as interest on interest and will make the road at a faster rate than simple interest. As you can see, this is the formula. S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I power of n, where S is the compound amount, P is the principal. Another formula is I equal to K over M, N equal to MT.
Assalamualaikum, I am Mukmin, and for part A, question 1A, the question is, 5 years ago, Amalina deposited 10,275 ringgit into a saving account that paid interest at 7.3%, compounded quarterly. Today, another 16,650 ringgit is deposited into the same account. Find the accumulated amount at the end of 15 years from the initial deposit. So for the solution, we use the simple interest formula. The P is at 10,275, M is 4 because it compounded quarterly. I is K over M equals to 0.073 over 4. N is MT, N equals to 20. So if we insert it into the formula, we get S equals to 14,752 ringgit and 66 cents. For the next 10 years, we use the same way, but this time we add 16,650 ringgit to the P, and S equals to 74,735 ringgit and 60 cents. For question 1B, a sum of money RMS was deposited in a saving account with interest 8% compounded quarterly. After 1 year, 2,000 ringgit was withdrawn. 3 years after the withdrawal, the balance was 12,865 ringgit and 29 cents. Find the value of X. So the question wants us to find the original amount that was deposited into the saving account. For the solution, we will be using the simple interest formula, which is S equals to P 1 plus I powered by N. For the first 1 year, I equals to 0.08 over 4, N equals to 4. After we insert the information into the formula, we will get balance after withdrawal, which is P equals to X 1 plus 0.08 over 4 powered by 4 negative 2,000. For the last 3 years, we use the same formula. I equals to 0.08 over 4, N equals to 12. The S was already given to us, which is 12,865 ringgit 29 cents. After that, the P is the balance after the withdrawal, and we will get S equals to 11,219 and 36 cents.
Next, we move to question 2. Based on the question 2A, find the interest rate K%. So we need to find the value of K. Given P is RM 17,000, S is 21,262.76 cents, M equal to 4, which is compounded quarterly, I equal to K over M. At this point, we consider K is X, so it will be X over 4. M equal to MT, which is 4 times 5 equal to 20. Based on the formula, S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. The answer will be 21,262.76 equal to 17,000 in bracket 1 plus X over M power of 20. In order to find X, we need to bring 17,000 and power of 20 to the left side, which is, it will be 21,262.76 over 17,000 square root of 20 equal to, in bracket, 1 plus X over 4. And the answer is 4.5%. Next, we move to question 2B. First moment, the question is find the amount at the end of the investment period. First, we need to find the amount of first 2 years, which is M equal to 4, that compounded every 3 months. I equal to K over M, which is 0.09 over 4. N equal to MT, which is 4 times 2 equal to 8. Using the formula of S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N, it will be 600 in bracket 1 plus 0.09 over 4 power of 8. And the answer is S equal to RM 716.90 cents. After that, question given K equal to 0.07, N equal to 12, T equal to 4 times 10 over 12, P, the amount that we find just now, which is 716.90. So the solution will be I equal to K over M, which is 0.07 over 12, N equal to empty, 12 in bracket, 4 times 10 over 12 minus 2, and the answer is 34. Using the same formula, S equal to 716 Nafeesa in bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 12 power of 34, and the answer will be 873.66. Next, Roman, find the interest earned. I equal to S minus P, which is compound amount minus principal. The answer will be 873.66 minus 600. So the interest is 273.66.
Okay, now we move to annuity. So annuity have two types, which is future value, and the second one is present value. So basically, future value is amount in current investment, which is that will grow or accumulated over time. For example, future value is really important to investors and financial planner, as they use it to estimate how much an investment made today will be worth in the future. And the second one is present value. Present value occurs when the sum that must be invested at the beginning of an investment period. This is to make sure to guarantee a desired payment in the future. So as you can see, there are two formulas, which is present value and future value. Future value is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I, and present value is A equal to R 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of a negative N over I. Now, for question 1 is, Ahmad purchased a retirement plan for 500,000 that pays monthly compounded interest of 2.78%. What is the monthly pension he could receive if he retires at age 55 and seeks to draw from the retirement fund until he is 85 years old? So first thing first, we need to identify and list the important things first, which is our A is 500,000, M is 12 because of monthly compounded, and I is equal to K over M, and our N is 360. Okay, so after we list all these important words, we put it on formulas given. So the question need us to find monthly pension, which is our R, or known as monthly payment as well. So we put all the information given on the formulas, and then we rearrange the formulas, and our final answer is R equal to 2,049.60 ringgit. For question 2 is, Nurul Ain is interested in purchasing an 500,000 semi-detached property. She pays a 10% down payment, and the balance is financed at a bank with a 5% compounded monthly interest rate. She has 30 years to repay the loan through monthly payments. So we need to find the amount of loan first, which is 0.9 times 500,000. So we will get 450,000. And our M is 12 because of compounded monthly. Our I is equal to 0.05 over 12. And our N is 360. Okay, so after we get all the informations, we need to put it on the formula, which is present value formula. So the question asks us to find the monthly payments, which is our R. So we rearrange the formula, and we will get our R is equal to 2,450 ringgit 70 cents. So for 2B's question is, find the total interest charge. So we need to find the I, which is the formula is in bracket R times N and minus amount of loan. So we will get 419,724 ringgit. So for the next question is, if Nurul Ain failed to pay the first 3 monthly payment, calculate the amount she had to pay on the 4th payment in order to settle the outstanding area. So this question, we basically use future value, which is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I. So this question says, Nurul Ain wants to pay the 4th payment, which is our S for now is S4. So our R is 2,450.90 cents. So we need to put all the information given to the formula. So we will get our outstanding area is 9,724.70 cents ringgit. So this question, we need to use the present value formula. We need to find the A120. So we put all the information to the formula given, and we will get 227,774.31 cents ringgit. So that's all the questions for our project, Thank you for watching.